Have you ever wondered what happens to the things you put out for recycling? The council comes and collects it. But what happens then? Welcome to HW Martin Waste Limited. We help councils and businesses up and down the country to sort all of their recyclable materials. We make sure that all of the recyclable waste you put in your bins and boxes goes to places where it is recycled. It really is worth your efforts, and we will show you why. We receive hundreds of lorries and thousands of tons of materials at our materials recovery facilities. Once the lorries have tipped it into the holding bays, it isn't long before it is introduced into the sorting process. As the materials travel through the facility, bit by bit, each different type of material is separated from the rest. Many different machines and methods are used to do this, depending on what material we want to separate out at each point in the process. We can separate a wide range of materials, including the more obvious ones like paper, card, and metal cans. But we can also separate other materials, including textiles, glass, and plastic. Our process is the perfect balance between technology and people power. We use the latest engineering to extract materials, much of which happens at such a high speed it is invisible to the naked eye. Yet, we also rely on the brain and the eye to ensure the finished product is the right quality and is not contaminated with any rogue materials that shouldn't be there. It is a skill, and our people are the best at what they do. Many facilities operated by other companies cannot cope with glass in the mix, and those that can separate the glass out, and that is that. But where other facilities finish, ours has just begun. We not only separate glass from everything else, but we also grade the glass into different sizes, producing different fractions for different uses, including colored used to make new glass bottles and jars. It's the same with our plastic separation. Instead of sending all the mixed plastic bottles, containers, and pots all together to another reprocessor, we do it ourselves, sorting the plastics out by polymer type so that we can send that single polymer material directly to manufacturers. The result of our process is a wide range of high-quality materials, bulked and baled, ready for transporting to various outlets, most of which are in the UK. Steel cans, aluminium, hard plastics, PET polymer plastic, HDPE polymer plastic, flaked, washed and dried, newspaper quality paper, cardboard, glass fractions, washed and dried textiles. We keep the facilities operating by undertaking planned preventative maintenance and backing that up with on-site spares and fabrication workshops. The mixed recyclable materials don't stop getting delivered to us, and we don't stop processing it. For more information, visit www.hwmartin.com.